In this video, you are going to see how to put a picture inside a shape in Google Slides. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Image, click on Upload from Computer. Let me choose this picture and click on Open. Now if you want to rearrange the picture, click on this, click on Crop, and you can crop the image like this. Now click on Outside. Let me reduce its size and place it over here. Now click on the image. Here you will see an option Mask Image. Go to Shape and let us click on Oval. Then it will be in the oval shape. If you want to apply another option, go to Shape and let us choose this option Parallelogram. Then it will be inserted in the parallelogram. Now click on over here. If you want to apply a border color, you can apply from here. You can increase or decrease the border. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.